Hey, you want to start doing some sport, but don't know where to start? Just do 100 push-ups every day for 30 days. Yes, it's that easy. If sport is not your thing yet, or if you want to increase your upper body strength, stay on this video. Push-ups are a common exercise, mainly used to strengthen the core and upper body. Here is what will happen to your body if you do 100 push-ups during 30 days. 1. Lean muscle. The more lean muscle mass you have, the more calories you'll burn at rest. And for those looking to lose weight, the more muscle mass you have, the easier it will be. 2. Improved blood flow. Blood flow improves in the capillaries, small blood vessels of your muscles and bones, when you push yourself during push-ups. This allows nutrients to enter your muscles faster, where they are needed for growth and repair. 3. Increased cardiovascular endurance. Push-ups are an excellent exercise for increasing muscle mass, improving cardiovascular endurance and strength. The reason for this is that push-ups require you to perform a maximal force at a near point of muscular failure. This places high demands on your neuromuscular system, which results in improved strength, muscle mass, and cardiovascular endurance. For increased upper body strength, push-ups are very similar to bench presses. It's important to keep a good form when doing this exercise for building up your upper body muscles, and can also train your chest, shoulders, back, and arms. 5. Improved posture. Doing push-ups on a regular basis will help improve your posture by strengthening your upper back muscles and scapular stabilizers, such as the rhomboids, serratus anterior, and middle and lower trapezius. 6. Prevention of back pain. Improving your posture through targeted exercises like this is one of the best ways to prevent back pain. Push-ups strengthen the muscles that support your spine. When done with proper form, they will build muscle throughout the core that can help keep you from getting back pain. 7. Increased hand-eye coordination. Push-ups build muscle in your upper and lower body stabilizers, as well as your core. Your core muscles, especially the transversus abdominis, are responsible for keeping your trunk stable. When you improve these muscles, you'll be able to get good hand-eye coordination, which can serve you well in many activities including sports and business. 8. Decreased risk of osteoporosis. Strong bones are essential to keep you healthy. Weight-bearing exercises, push-ups will help build up your bones by adding your body weight to the arm structure. A lack of exercise can lead to osteoporosis. 9. Improved heart health. A strong heart requires strong muscles to pump blood throughout the body. Doing push-ups will strengthen the chest muscles, making it easier to pump blood. It also strengthens the arm and leg muscles, which will also improve circulation. 10. Look at this body. By doing 100 push-ups every day, you'll finally see great results on your body. It's that simple. We hope you'll try this little challenge. It's a great way to start improving your health. Don't hesitate to give us some personal feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.